Hey you guys, I am super excited to get on and review this interior Tesla cleaner that I got sent. This stuff is really cool and I'm super excited. So if you stick with me, I'm actually gonna go show you what it looks like as it cleans my Tesla, but I am going to just kind of highlight some of the features of it and why I'm really excited about it. So first of all, I love the color. I love the bottle it comes in. This is a good sized cleaner. So it's not in some itty bitty bottle that you're like trying to save. It has plenty. You can go use it and you're not gonna run out in like a time or two. You've got lots of cleaner in here, which is awesome. I love that. Next, it's safe on vegan leather, which is so nice. If you are a fellow Tesla owner, you know how much we care about the interiors of our car. We want to keep them nice and clean, and I don't want to use a cleaner on it that's going to harm my leather. So I am super excited about this because it is for vegan leather. It's an all surface interior cleaner, so you can use it on the whole interior of your Tesla. It is designed for Tesla owners, which is awesome. And then it's got a good smell. It's easy to use, powerful cleaning, just all the good things. So I am super excited about this one. It also comes with this rag. So come check it out with me. I'm gonna go clean out my Tesla and I'm gonna show you guys how this works. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna show cleaning off the center console right here. This just sprays on super nicely. There's a couple different settings for the sprayer. I just have it on the wide spray, and then I'm just using the towel that it came with to clean it off. You can already tell how shiny it is, and it just gives it kind of that glossy finish, which I love. And they're not lying when they say it smells good. It's a very neutral smell. It's not anything too crazy, but it smells really good. And you can just see, like, that was what, 15 seconds of rubbing, and look at how professional that looks. It just gives it that really nice glossy look. And then I'm also going to show you the dash. I'm going to clean half of it and show you what it looks like compared to the half that's not clean. First of all, a little dusty, but here we go. So this is going to work really well. I absolutely love this. Sprays on really nice, rubs off really well, and just same thing, it gives it that nice shiny after look, which I absolutely love. Like, this just looks good and fresh as new as soon as I'm done wiping this. So this is just seriously amazing. I am really enjoying this product. So here you can see there's the side that's not cleaned, and then here is the side that is clean. So just a really nice fresh look. If you guys own a Tesla, I 10 out of 10 recommend this cleaning product. I absolutely love it.